Welcome to my video guys. In the previous video I have discussed about the file modes in Python and explained text and binary file modes, right? But in the previous video I missed one thing. I haven't shown you how to work with the binary files. So in this video I will show you how to work with the binary files. So without wasting any time, let's start our journey. So we are on our desktop screen and our main goal here will be to create a binary file, then put some data inside it and lastly read the data from it. So first we will create a file object called b file, then open a binary file. So first we have to create it. So we will open this binary file in write mode so that it creates our binary file. So our binary file extension will be .bin, which stands for binary. Okay, and I will open this in WB plus mode. Why we are using WB plus mode? Because this mode can create a binary file, write some data inside that binary file and read that data from it. Okay, in this mode we can perform all these stuffs. So let's hit the enter, and now we can see our binary file has been created over here, but it is empty now. We have to write some data inside it. So let's say we want to write hello programmers inside it. So let's store hello programmers in a variable called a. Okay, but wait for a minute. This is a string data, means the a variable contains a string data. We can verify it by using the type function. You can see the type of a is string, but in a binary file only byte data can exist, that is zeros and ones. So we have to convert this string data into binary data or the byte data, right? For that we will use the encode method. Okay, a.encode, and our encoding will be as per ASCII. Okay, and now if we see the type of encode when enc, then we can see that it is bytes data, right? So we can put this data into our binary file. So for putting this data into our binary file, we will use the write function. Right, and within it we will pass enc, the encoded data. So 17 characters has been written. After performing all those operations, our file pointer is at last now. In order to read the file data, we have to pull our file pointer to the beginning. For this purpose, we will be using seek function as I have discussed in my previous videos. So let's write our file name dot seek to the 0th position, which means the beginning. Now let's read our data. So let's say this data, and we want to read this. Okay, but wait, here also our data is in bytes, so we need a decode function to decode our data. Okay, so decoding will be as per ASCII. Okay, now let's print our data, and you can see hello programmers has been written here successfully. And lastly, just close this file because we have done our operations, and that's all. So this is how we perform binary reading and writing. Okay, thanks for watching the video till the end. If you have any kind of queries or doubt, then you can always ask me in the comment section. If you like the video, then please like and share this video to others. And if you want to see this kind of contents more, then please subscribe to Develop with Onkon, and hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.